Meet Jeff Mack, the founder and CEO of Jeff Mack Designs from Ontario, Canada. Jeff Mack Designs specializes in custom wood and steel for both commercial and residential clientele. This includes custom-built epoxy and wood tables, cutting boards, bed frames, ping-pong tables, lake boards, conference tables, and many more pieces of furniture that are designed to last a lifetime. But not only do they build this gorgeous wood and metal projects, but they also supply the materials to other makers, such as custom home builders or custom furniture makers. They work with homeowners, interior designers, architects, custom furniture makers, custom home builders, and many, many more. Jeff Mack Designs custom build each order to the customer's specifications. Their main objective is 100% client satisfaction, which means providing their clients with a full-service custom design using wood, metal, and epoxy. Jeff Mack Designs are also a huge internet success, judging by the massive audience on their social media accounts. Check out some of their videos to see the making of one-of-a-kind pieces for any space. Or try and do it on your own with one of their project kits. These kits are perfect for making small pieces such as cutting boards. The kit contains all the materials needed to build your very own board using epoxy and wood. So, what did you think of these amazing resin and woodworking creations? Would you want to build furniture for your office or for your living room? Let us know what you think in the comments down below.